Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you how to reset the oil life. This video should apply to any Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so what I will do actually, I will show you two different ways on how to reset the oil life on this vehicle. Depending on the year you have, and I know on these vehicles for some reason the reset through the menu sometimes doesn't work, but there is like the manual process as well. So first I will show you how you're supposed to do it through the menu. Now insert the key into the ignition lock and turn it twice to the right, but do not start the vehicle, right? And then you will be using these menu buttons on the right side of the steering wheel. So you will scroll through the menu options. So keep pressing down until you reach vehicle info, and then you will use left and right buttons to get to the oil reset. Okay, transmission, oil temperature. Okay, this is the oil life, and now hold OK to reset. So press OK, keep holding it, right? And this will reset the oil life to 100%. It is as easy as that. Now, for some reason, this sometimes doesn't work on these vehicles. I had a couple of these vehicles in the past, and for some reason I couldn't do it that way. Or maybe your trim level doesn't have this option, but whatever, there is a manual way you can do it as well, and I will show it to you right now. Okay, so what you will do, you will again insert the key into the ignition lock, or if you have a push button start, you will press the push button, but you will not press the brake pedal. So you want to get to turn on the vehicle electronics, right? So to ACC. This is what you will do, and now while you're in this position, you will press and depress gas pedal 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And this should do the reset, and then you will turn the key to the off and remove the key, and then insert the key back in and check if your oil is reset. So these are the two ways how you can reset the oil, and make sure you reset it every time after the oil change. That way you will make sure that the vehicle monitors when your next oil change is due. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.